In this video, we will prepare the late model brake reservoir adapter. Instructions for the early model version are in a separate video. Apply thread lock to the reservoir adapter and fittings from the L22E bag. Install the first fitting and tighten it with a 3/8 or 9mm wrench. The size varies between batches of fittings. Aim the fitting away from the end with 2 mounting holes. Repeat the steps to install and tighten the second fitting. Aim this fitting approximately the same direction, but double check that it does not block the 1032 bolt. Adjust the fitting position so that the bolt can go cleanly into the hole. Install both of the O-rings from the L22E bag into the adapter. You'll notice that the bore is larger at the top of the hole and smaller further down. Make sure the O-rings are pushed all the way down to the smaller bore.